Writing a research paper is not very easy. It can be very difficult. It can be very hard, especially if English is not your first language. I will show you simple tools like that Storm AI that can help you to write better papers. We learn how these tools can check grammar, suggest better words, and help to organize your ideas. I will show you which free tools that you can use at home. Can anyone know about the tool of Storm AI recently Stanford University has released? Anyone have any? Okay, fine. I'm here to tell you about this. Recently, Stanford University has released a new tool called Storm AI. Storm AI, it stands for a synthesis of topic outlines, relative multi-perspective question asking. Write a research paper on Storm AI. हम कैसे research paper Storm AI के through हम कैसे इसे develop कर सकते हैं, research कर सकते हैं. Storm AI is a cutting-edge tool designed to assist researchers with brainstorm ideas and content generation. Whether you are struggling to come up with a topic or need any help structuring your ideas, Storm AI provides an intelligent suggestions based on your topics. It provides a preliminary outline. It helps you to organize your thoughts so you can focus on developing the core arguments. It elevates the quality of writing and aligns it with academic standards, making your paper more polished. It provides suggestions based on your research area, and it can help you brainstorm ideas that are both relevant and original, which is crucial for a strong research paper and making your paper more accessible to the readers. Storm AI can give you a solid foundation and direction, making your paper more easier and to expand each section. Storm AI can automatically detect, correct, and spelling mistakes in your writing. It can recommend better words, choices to improve clarity, precision, and tone. Storm AI can also help to making the writing more engaging and logically. Storm AI can assist in organizing your content, whether you're writing on a report, on a essay, or on a research paper. When writing a research paper, Storm AI can assist in organizing your content, sources, references, and ensuring your content very wide range. They give you this tool will give you a huge amount of information, huge amount of benefits, and my experience is very good after using this tool. Firstly, I didn't know how to use this tool, but time to time I can understand it and I can learn a lot of applications, and I'm very impressed with this tool. There are 8 steps to write a research paper. First, title, then abstract, then methodology, conclusion. जैसे अली भाई ने अभी बताया, सेम यही स्टेप्स हैं जिनके ज़रिए आप एक स्ट्रॉन्ग रिसर्च पेपर लिख सकते हैं और उस पर मुख्तलिफ तहकीकात कर सकते हैं. सो Storm AI आप आर्टिकल्स, अगर आपने Storm AI के थ्रू मुख्तलिफ आर्टिकल्स लिखने हैं तो आप इस लिंक को यूज़ करें. देन यू कैन गिव अ ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, एंड आपको अगर कोई भी टॉपिक पे रिसर्च करनी है देन आप इस लिंक को क्लिक करें, अपना टॉपिक मेंशन करें और बताएं कि आपको ये आर्टिकल कैसे आपको हेल्प करेगा आपके रिसर्च पेपर में. देन दिस आर्टिकल गिव्स यू अ ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एंड a lot of knowledge, like they give you application benefits and each and everything on your research topic. Benefits of Storm AI. There are a lot of benefits of Storm AI, like आपका ये आपको रिसर्च करके विदिन अ मिनट्स और सेकंड आपका रिसर्च पेपर आपको मतलब आपका आर्टिकल आपको देगा. देन आपके अगर मिस्टेक्स या कुछ भी है वो आपको फाइंड आउट करके देगा. देन ये आपका डेटा सिक्योर, लाइक आपकी डेटा सिक्योरिटी के अंदर ही आपको एक ऐसा आर्टिकल देगा जो आपकी नॉलेज में मज़ीद हेल्प करेगा. Conclusion. And this tool is very amazing and useful, and this tool develops different skills like communication skills, developing communication skills, writing skills, and each and every skill this tool can deliver you. And I will also suggest you can use this tool, and this tool also help you to better future. I would suggest you all will work on this tool, and I hope so. My insights are very impressed you, and if anyone have any questions, so please ask me. I'm available to answer it to you. And in last, I hope so my insights have inspired you very much and provides you an incredible journey ahead. Thank you very much.